Windows 11 update is removing Microsoft account requirement for Widgets board, one of the Windows 11 flagship feature in the Widgets board, which is essentially a reboot of news and interest from Windows 10, and it one of the ways to push MSN to users. By default, the Widgets drawer also gives you access to weather, sports, scores, finance, updates, and more. In Windows 11, however, accessing the widgets drawer requires a Microsoft account. If you do not have a Microsoft account, you cannot viewing anything within the widgets board. That include local traffic, Microsoft to-do list, Microsoft Store updates, Microsoft movies and TV content, sports and codes. To some, the widgets board is useless. On the other hand, some may want to give it a try, but they don't want to link their Microsoft account to another Windows 11 service. It's look like Microsoft is listening to feedback, and the tech giant is pushing a new preview update that removes account requirements. Starting early next year, you will be able to use and browse the widgets board without linking your Microsoft account. As you can see in the above screenshot, Microsoft has removed the sign-in requiring allowing user with a without or Microsoft account to access the widgets board. As a result, you can now get regular weather updates, the sports updates, pinned favorite apps to the board, and also access personalized dynamic feeds. Widgets board likely to get better in the coming weeks. Widgets on Windows have the potential to transform how desktop look to user instead of grid of icons in the coming months. Widgets are expected to get even better with more third-party widgets on the way, and Microsoft is also planning to announce new capabilities for widgets next year. For those unaware, Windows always had a history of widgets. Back in the early 2000s, Vistas had a feature similar to widgets. They were called gadgets. While the same experience isn't on Windows 11 yet, it hoped that the widgets project will eventually evolve into something even bigger. Had widgets boards. Here how to remove it right now. If you don't want to use the widgets board at the all, remember that removing the feature is extremely simple. Right click on the button and click unpin from taskbar. Another way to remove widgets is to open Windows search or start menu and look for taskbar settings, or you can open settings personalization taskbar where you will see the widget settings. You can turn off widgets and other features like search, and the button will automatically vanish from your taskbar.